gonna need a lot of ice cream out, Yeti.
Stupid little...
Look. A whole room full of winter.
Yeti, what are you doing?
Nothing.
What about the ice cream?
I'm sure it must be around here somewhere.
What is it? What's going on? What's happened?
She made me do it. It's not my fault. Ugh.
Where is she?
In there.
She's in the freezer.
Is that bad?
I don't think it could get much worse. It just got worse. All right, here we go.
Dad, don't do it. No,
We've got
Dad!
to do Take the battery, get back to your mother and tell her not to worry, all right?
You want some ice in here?
No, thanks.
I'm in big trouble, right?